evening, friends. And I welcome you all from bottom of my heart. The philosophy, what India believes and Essel group we practice is Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, which is a Sanskrit thing, which means the world is one family. The foundations of this center is also based on Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, world is one family. This place, as you saw in some videos, we took 5 years ago this land from Kuchar family. They are here. Mr. Mark Kuchar is here. I thank Mark again to you and your family. And 3 years ago, exactly on this day of yoga, first International Yoga Day, some of you witnessed the golden shower ceremony at this very place. It took me a couple of years before we could get all building permissions and so many things and funding also. And I'm thankful for Axis Bank and Canara Bank to have helped to make this center a reality. The people, whosoever have visited this morning, since this morning or last few weeks, have complimented the facility. Yesterday, when CBS people came, of course, they are also, as we are part of media, they are also kind of friends. And he was very honest when he made a comment that I was forced actually by my editor to come and cover this place. And I felt that why should I go and cover a spa? But whatever I have seen here, it's something very different. And how do you describe this? He told in his own words that I'm finding short of words what to say about this place. Certainly, friends, this is not a spa. Even when sometime some new colleagues, new staff joins, they think they are joining a spa. And in conversation with me, when they utter this word spa, it makes me angry. It's not a spa. And I think spa culture have been in the world for the last 40 years. And as New York Times put it earlier in this month, that the days of spas have gone. This is an experience. This is a experience which you have to, I can't explain. If you would not have seen, some of you have taken tour, maybe some of you will take tour now. This is only, still, even after having the tour of this facility, you will still not be able to describe this. Believe me. And I'm not saying that you should come and spend your money, but one has to really come and spend some time, some days, so that you can experience really what the living is. There is one way of living mentally in terms of spiritual and those things in which I describe very, very simple words. I describe them, live in the present. Because our mind is so, it moves with such a fast space that you don't even realize when it has gone to past or it has gone to the future. Whenever your mind goes to the past, I'm sure almost all of us in this gathering would feel that we mostly find regrets when we think of past. And the moment your mind goes to the future, you certainly, what if? That thought comes. It creates anxiety. What if I'm not successful? What if I fail? What if my boyfriend or girlfriend leaves me? So many questions come to our minds, and that creates anxiety. So we say, if you tune your mind to remain in the present, that is the best way to live. That's the blissful time. People who learn to live in the present live happily, and that's the art of living. For the physical way of living, you have to experience, you have to start with the yoga, and small little things. They're not very difficult. I mean, if you come here, spend 3, 4, 5 days, 1 week, and if you can do those practices at home, you don't need to come back ever again. And I'm sure my marketing and sales team will shout at me because of those comments. But yes, this is a fact. You come here, you learn how to have a new way of living in terms of your physical and mental and well-being. And we all in our current lives, we always work hard, we are stressed up, we are running all the time to get what? We don't know. And I'm sure all of us definitely ask that question, why I'm doing this sometime. So come here, join. Of course, I'm happy here that there's a casino around, close by. But yesterday when somebody asked me that how will you describe this development in this beautiful, serene area? And I said them that when people go into casino, they make you excited. Either you lose or win money, they excite you. And when people come here, we want them to calm down, relax. And that's what this place is about. And enjoy yourself this evening and hope to see you again. But whenever all of you have commented about this facility, it's beautiful, nice, out of this world, and so many words I have listened since yesterday. But my true belief will be when 10, 15, 20, 50 people will smile on their face, and they will say, Yo1 Center made me different, made me happy, made me younger. That will be the day I'll believe that we have done something good. With this, thank you very much once again.